Let's do it, y'all.
Humahanap po ako ngayon ng ulam namin, pagpag, para po sa tanghalian namin. Ang pagpag po, yun po yung tira-tira ng mga
So for anybody who don't know what this is, my guy or my girl, this is called Pog Pog. This is basically chicken that was eaten already and meat that was eaten already, thrown away. And what they do is take all the shit out the garbage. I'm damn finna throw up trying to explain it. They take all that extra meat and bones and stuff out the garbage and they recook it, refry it, reseason it. And they eat this shit, bro. In the Philippines.
tao na hindi na kinakain nila. Katulad nung nasa restaurant, yung itatapon dito,
Bro, this shit make me throw up shit. What the?
kumukuha uli po ako ngayon ng pagpag. Ito, katulad nito, manok. Baboy. Baboy din po. Sari-sari na po ito. Katulad nito. Tsaka to, barbecue. Barbecue baboy. Tsaka barbecue manok din to. Ang gagawin ko po rito mamaya, adobo. Ito, pwede po siyang iprito.
Bro, they looking through all of that. This is where they getting that shit from. They looking through all these trash cans and finding like old chicken and old meat, fo. This shit made me want to cry, fo. I ain't gonna even lie to you.
Years na po ako nag-gano eh. Siguro po pag malakas din ang resistensya mo, matagal ka rin pong dapuan ng sakit. Siguro rin po kasi nakakapag-savings kami rin eh. Nakakapag-savings kami every week. Sabihin pang 200, 300. Minsan na kukuha din namin pag wala kaming bagsak. Nagkakaroon po kami ng extra income kasi umorder po sa amin yung iba namin mga kaibigan.
Like this shit make me real mad watching this shit, for like, how is they eating this and then they feeding it to the kids?